Texas has 5 different felony classifications. Ranked from most to least severe, we're talking about capital felonies, first-degree felonies, second-degree felonies, third-degree felonies, and state jail felonies. Each carries a different potential prison sentence and fines based on the severity of the crime. The main difference lies in the severity of the crime and the resulting punishment. Let's start at the bottom. State jail felonies. State jail felony punishment is a sentence of 180 days to 2 years in a state jail facility and a fine of up to $10,000. Examples of state jail felony offenses include theft of property valued between $1,500 and $20,000, theft of a firearm, abuse of debit or credit cards, possession of less than 1 gram of a Schedule I drug. What about third-degree felonies? Third-degree felony punishments start at prison sentences of between 2 to 10 years, a fine of up to $10,000. And some examples of third-degree felonies are theft of property valued between $30,000 and $150,000, possession of 5 to 50 pounds of marijuana, possession of at least 1 and up to 4 grams of a Schedule I drug, and assault of a public servant. What about second-degree felonies, the next one up the chain? Second-degree felony punishments include prison sentences of between 2 to 20 years, a fine of up to $10,000, and some examples of second-degree felonies include theft of property valued between $150,000 and $300,000, aggravated assault, burglary of a habitation, reckless injury to a child, serious bodily injury to a family member, or possession of at least 4 and up to 200 grams of a Schedule I drug. What about first-degree felonies? First-degree felony punishment include prison sentences of 5 to 99 years or life in prison, and they can include a fine of up to $10,000. Some examples of a first-degree felony are theft of property valued at $300,000 or more, aggravated sexual assault, aggravated robbery, sexual assault of a child, possession of over 2,000 pounds of marijuana, or possession of at least 200 and up to 400 grams of a Schedule I drug. And finally, the most severe felonies in the state of Texas are what we would call a capital felony. The penalty in this are the most severe that Texans can face, which means a prison sentence of life without parole or the death penalty. And the #1 example of this, capital murder.